The MRCOOL DIY system is evolving. What began as a simple HVAC solution you could install yourself has expanded to meet the needs of a growing number of households. Today, it's a full lineup, empowering DIYers to install year-round comfort, heating, and cooling, all without paying expensive HVAC installation fees. First up is the DIY Select. It's our base model and where our lineup begins. It handles one room up to 1,050 square feet with sizes from 9,000 to 24,000 BTUs. It ships with an 11.5-foot pre-charge line set. And if you need more reach, we've got longer ones available, or pair two together with a coupler kit. Covered by 2-year compressor and 1-year parts warranty. But why choose it? Because you want the easiest, most affordable way to condition one room without paying an arm and a leg for an expensive HVAC install. And here comes the Easy Pro. High efficiency DIY on a budget. Same do-it-yourself install and runs more efficiently at 18.9 SEER2. More space, less energy. It ships with the same 11.5 patented pre-charge line set with configuration sizes of 9,000 to 24,000 BTUs. Plus, it's got dry, sleep, and auto mode. The warranty jumps to 5 years on the compressor and 3 years on the parts. So why choose it over the Select? Because you want higher efficiency and the longer warranty. And now we're going to say bye to the Easy Pro and hello to the 5th Gen, the best DIY performance in the single room lineup with an efficiency of up to 23.6 SEER2. Whisper quiet, as low as 18 decibels. It covers up to 1,550 square feet and comes in sizes from 9,000 up to 36,000 BTU with a 25-foot patented pre-charge line set. Plus, what sets this system apart from the DIY Select and the Easy Pro is it pairs not only with the classic wall-mounted air handler, but also the DIY out-of-sight ceiling cassette. Instead of mounting a unit on your wall, out-of-sight tucks up between 16-inch ceiling joists, sitting flush and low profile, with no ductwork and no drop ceiling. An important note, the single-zone 5th Gen is only compatible in an 18,000 BTU configuration. For more sizes, you'll need to pair it with the multi-zone or the hyperheat we'll be covering soon. The out-of-sight uses the same QuickConnect pre-charge line set. And whether you have it or the classic wall-mounted air handler, the 5th Gen DIY carries the best single-zone warranty. 7 years on the compressor, 5 on parts. But why choose it over the Easy Pro? Because you want the highest efficiency, the quietest operation, and the best warranty in the bunch. But if you want a whole lot more coverage, we've got the multi-zone. Maximum DIY coverage. Everything before it called a single room. This one covers up to 2,200 square feet from a single outdoor unit with up to 6 indoor heads, each set to its own temperature. That means your bedroom, your living room, your office, up to 6 rooms can be set to 6 different temperatures. And each of those handlers is your choice. Wall-mounted, out-of-sight, or a mix of both. Because with the multi-zone, you have access to all 4 sizes of the out-of-sight, 6,000 BTUs all the way up to 18,000. And the outdoor multi-zone condenser has sizes from 18,000 to 55,000 BTUs, with the same 7-year compressor and 5-year parts warranty as the single-zone DIY 5th Gen. 1 outdoor unit, 1 install. And that's enough to cover the whole home. But there's one more innovation MRCOOL has tackled head-on, and that's heating performance with the MRCOOL DIY Hyperheat. The MRCOOL DIY has made great strides in heating performance, but with the DIY Hyperheat, we've taken it to a whole other level. It heats down to minus 22 degrees with high efficiency at 21.2 SEER2. The same easy install with a 25-foot patented pre-charge line set and the same 7-year compressor, 5-year parts warranty. And it's compatible with the out-of-sight ceiling cassette in 12,000 and 18,000 BTU sizes. And why choose it? Because you live in a place with very harsh winters and you need a heat pump that just won't quit. And that's the full MRCOOL DIY lineup. 5 systems you can install yourself. To find out more about the perfect system for your home, visit MRCOOLDIY.com. MRCOOL, comfort made simple.